Hey guys, it's Roxie with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown, and today I'm breaking down an over the log. So this is not a traditional tap step, but it is used in tap combinations all the time, especially musical theater tap. Because it's used a lot in musical theater dance, but for musical theater tap, it's a very showy step and it's used a lot. So I thought I would break it down in a tap tutorial and show you how it can be used just like thrown into a middle of a tap combination. All right, let's just get to it. So an over the log is, that's to the left and that's to the right. Okay, so you might see it in something very simple, just, that's just a very easy example. But how you do it is you put your foot, if this is to the left, you would put your foot out and that's kind of your log, if you will. And you're jumping over it. Now, it's sort of an optical illusion because you're really not jumping over it so much as you're taking that leg and putting it back. That's how you would do an over the log. So that's what I mean. You're sort of just switching that leg and putting it back as you jump, as you switch this leg in front. That's why you're saying you're going over the log. To the other side, same thing. You've just got to make sure that the log is out straight, and you've got to keep it that way when you go in back. So when you jump over it, you can't be like bending it when you go back or, kind of crooking that leg. You've got to keep that leg straight when you go back. You've got to really support yourself on top and have a good core on top and not be collapsing. It's got to look like you're really jumping over that leg. That's the optical illusion, but really you're just switching that leg in back. But it looks like you're jumping over it. So to the left again, it's that way. To the right, it's that way. And those are called over the logs. All right, subscribe to my channel. Check out all my other videos. Give this one a thumbs up if you liked it. I'll check you out in the next.